My name is Joan Paglinawan.
And I'm Charina Fernandez, and we're going to tackle about how proper care of bones and muscles.
Bones. What is bones? Any one of the hard pieces that form the frame called a skeleton inside a person of animal's body.
So what is muscle? Muscle is a body tissue that can contract and produce movement. Common causes of bone and muscle injuries. Accidents can happen at home, in school, and other places. A broken bone is a fracture. There are two types of fracture, the closed fracture and the open fracture. The closed fracture is a broken bone whose ends do not pierce the skin. The next one is the open fracture. It shows a broken bone whose ends puncture the skin. So the next common bone and muscle injury is sprain. Sprain is injury to ligament or to the tissue that covers the joint. Most sprains result from sudden twisting and stretches or tears the tissues of the ligament. A sprain is usually extremely painful. There are certain diseases that can harm the bone and the muscle. First is the osteoporosis. It's a bone disorder. It is caused mainly in the inadequate calcium in the diet. Sige. The next one is poliomyelitis, also called as polio. It's a serious infection caused by virus. The virus attacks the nerve cells of the brain and spinal cord, causing paralysis. Infection does not always result to severe illness. In some cases, muscles become weak and movement become difficult. Doctor recommended vaccination against polio early in life.
The third one is arthritis. Arthritis occurs when a joint wears out. This is common in elderly people. The joints most frequently affected are those of the hands, hips, knees, lower back, and neck. Joints affected by arthritis are painful, red, and swollen. Treatment includes drugs and specially designed program of exercises. And the last one is gout. Gout is a disease that can produce severe swelling of the joints. It is caused by a defect in body's natural action of breaking down nutrients. This results in the production is too much uric acid.
First aid for bone and muscle injuries. Some bone injuries may lead to loss of one's leg, arms, or fingers. Sometimes they may even result in death. It is important to be careful when you are walking, running, climbing, riding, or playing to prevent accidents. You should learn first aid treatments for simple sprains, fractures, and cramps.